Hello everyone, I'm shooting this video from Seoul, South Korea, and it's August 31st, 2021. I just received the Samsung S Pen Pro, and in this video I just wanted to share the first impression of it, nothing fancy. If I get a chance, maybe I'll upload how to utilize Galaxy Fold with the S Pen Pro in the classroom setting. I used to use tablet computers to teach students in classroom settings where I mirror the screen onto the projector. However, now I can simply use the cell phone to teach the class. Anyways, alright, when you open up the box, you can see that it's got 3 components in the box. A tongue and 3 nips inside, the actual S Pen Pro, and the leather case. I'm not sure if it's the genuine leather or an artificial one. It's got soft sponge-like black liner inside, and it fits the snub just right. Alright, let's look at the video for a bit. You'll need to bend the end of the leather case to take out the pen. If you look at the nip of the pen, it's got the mechanical spring in it, so it retracts a bit if you press hard. You'll need to make sure the switch on the end of the pen is set to the right mode, otherwise you'll get this warning message on Galaxy Fold saying that you cannot use the traditional tablet pens due to the possible damage that it may cause. That's that error you see on the screen right now. The pen writes really smoothly even on the crease in the middle of the screen. It feels a little awkward because there's a little dip, but nonetheless, the overall writing experience is just like what you'd expect on many tablet computers and iPad Pros.
좋다.
Now, this is a picture of some of my tablet pens. The leather case on the top goes with the HB pen that you can see on the 3rd row, which has been my favorite pen for years. I like pens that are long, somewhat heavy, not too light, and have 1 or 2 buttons for different functions, and also with a good amount of girth for the easier grip. Many of the tablet pens, as well as the traditional S Pen that came with Galaxy Note series, was too thin, too light, and too short, that my finger muscles were unnecessarily strained, so I made the pen that you see on the bottom row by pouring in some cement into the cap of the pen so that it would carry some extra weight with extra length. However, as with many DIY objects, it didn't have the premium feel that some of the pens had. The S Pen Pro is the heaviest and the longest pen that has the nice luxury feel to it, so I think it'll be my new favorite pen for both the tablet PCs and the Z Fold. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching everyone.